Happy New Year, everybody, and welcome back to 2010. We want to make sure that you remember that it is our intent to be here to help you guys to realize hopefully the many dreams you're going to be having fulfilled this year through having TVI in your life. We want to begin this new year with the same kind of success level that we finished off our last working week in 2009 prior to Christmas. And if you remember back then, we signed up for 20 new memberships that came on board that week. I believe we can have that same level of success consistently, but without sugarcoating anything, and I want to apologize in advance for anything I might say that could possibly rub people the wrong way, but that level of success probably is not going to happen without some changes in the level of commitment from everybody on our team. We understand that we just came out of a very busy time of the year with Christmas and time with your families. People maybe not wanting to spend as much money this year as other years. There's a lot of reasons why the last few weeks have been slow. And as much as I'm not into New Year's resolutions, I do want to say one thing, that I hope that you're going to take 2010 as the year where you're going to be working this TVI business. If you didn't spend the time on it last year, resolve yourself to work on it this year and just watch what great things are going to happen.
Yeah, and this is not intended to put anyone in the spotlight. It is, however, intended to put the spotlight back on TVI. We all have met through networking of some kind, which in itself says we all have a primary job or business that we work at making successful every day. We never ask you to take food off your table. We never ask you to take attention or focus off your primary business. We will, however, ask that you do just be the bright and innovative people that we've come to know you to be, and devise a way to devote some time and energy to working TVI in 2010. You've already invested over $250 in your single membership, or for some of you multiple memberships. So why not take that extra step or extra 2 steps to ensure that investment pays off? After all, the $10,000 is what inspired and attracted most of us. We want ours. How about you guys? Do you want yours? So what we are asking is that each of you live up to the promise made when you first purchased a TVI membership, which is to simply get 2 others to join TVI and then teach those 2 to get 2 more. Those of you who have benefited from spillover, where another team member or Paula and myself have given you one of those people that you needed to qualify to get off the Traveler board, and in some cases given you both. What we're going to be asking of you right now is that you pay that forward and you return that favor to another team member.
We want you guys to know that both Wayne and I are going to continue to always make ourselves available for you to help you in any way that we can. And we're also going to continue to kind of research ways that we can promote TVI throughout the valley and throughout the world, really. And we welcome your efforts and your ideas in that endeavor as well. What we're looking for here is rapid growth, not just looking at the boards and seeing them move every couple weeks. We want to see them move every day. We want rapid growth. That's what's going to bring money into this business for each of us and start making some of these dreams come true for us.
Yeah, because we don't want to get to the end of this year and hear some of the things that we heard last year in terms of they didn't happen for you this year, such as most of us said we wanted to see 2010 be a year of prosperity and good health for ourselves and our families. I don't want to be at the end of the year and that prosperity has not been realized. So we have a heck of an opportunity, and I need to make sure that we all understand that we can take some control and make that opportunity happen or turn it into the reality that Paula mentioned earlier. We are not ones who, spend a lot of time making wishes or hoping on things. We believe that much more is in our control than we'd like to think it is on a daily basis. And what we're asking is that you take that control. And we are going to do that. Hopefully you can as well. In closing, we want to put forth this challenge. We challenge each and every one of you to enroll at least 2 new members in the month of January. So now we're back to the TVI new member promise. Get 2, then teach those 2 to get 2. Such a simple thing.
Yeah, and that, you think about the people that have in the business already that have gotten their 2, quote unquote, 2 people and qualified on the Express board or on the Travelers board. This is beyond that. This is looking beyond that. This is an extra step to help out our team. If you got my email yesterday, you will have seen that there's some incentives out there right now. For if you sign up 5 people, you're going to get a free voucher. Okay, that's something that Dan Melke is putting out as an incentive for our team. So look at that as a challenge for yourself and just watch what that does to the growth of our team. It would be phenomenal. So, and also as a reminder that those vouchers are on sale right now for $265 too, so that can help in talking to people that they're actually on sale, and I know how we all love sales. So in closing, you guys, we just want to say how proud we are that you have chosen to let us be a part of your team. And keep this in mind, we've all been a part of teams over our lifetime in some manner or fashion. And I would guess that most of us have been used to winning. And we intend to continue that winning streak with TVI. And with the group of people that we have on our team, I just don't see how we can lose. So I just want to say good luck, and that we love you, and we are so excited that we are all working on this together with TVI. We're going to make it happen, you guys. 2010 is it. We're going to make it happen. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.
God bless.